What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another edition of A&B Variety TV. And you know, when I get on camera, it is time to travel. What is going on, guys? We are getting ready to go for our trip on the Miracle. Join the fun on the Carnival Miracle, guys. We're getting packing already. It's only Saturday night, and we don't have to leave till Tuesday. But we're in Northern California. We have to take a trek down to Southern California, so we're getting stuff ready today. So we're really excited. We have our COVID-19 home test as well, and you guys are going to be seeing that in a little bit, how we do that. Check this out. Bam! We got it through eMed, so I'll show you guys that little process in a little bit, how that works. And we have our bags ready here as well. And of course, like last time, I got my friends with me on the phone. Say hi to Miss Jean Hartman. And Super RP is right there in the dark. Hi, Super RP. There they go. They are packing with me like last time. Representing Team IGAT. Alright, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. I'll put this here so you guys can see what we're putting together. See you in a little bit. Bye. We're back, guys, because they're trying to give me a sermon on how to vlog videos. I'm not good at vlogging videos. I only eat. That's it. There.
No, even your mukbang.
Guys, even my mukbangs on the Missing Tooth Mukbanger, they're bashing me. Oh, guys, my number 1 and 2 bashers are here. Number 3 basher is not here today.
No, we just want you to like in.
What? Say it again. You want to what?
We just want to eat your.
Ano in your?
Okay. Oo. And guys,
they just want guys. They just want me to have a cleaner transition when I say bye.
Yeah.
And also sometimes, the Missing Tooth Mukbangers is the chief. Basta. Ayun na guys.
Alright, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Alright, guys, we are getting ready to pack. We got our COVID-19 results back, and they're both negative. So now we can fully pack. I didn't record the session. I didn't want it to feel uncomfortable for the proctor, so I just kind of left it and said, forget it. I'll just let everybody know that we are packed and we're gonna start packing. So let's get to packing, guys. We are ready. Look, I already got my 12 pack. I got the ginger ale and lemonade. The hubby got these little mini Pepsis. So, all right, we'll get to packing here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see me at all, but might as well see what I am doing as we get to packing.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple closer.
With that being said, guys, catch us as we continue our travels. We're gonna have a great time over on the Carnival Miracle. You'll be getting the same type of stuff that we did for Carnival Panorama. We'll do some deck tours. I have a whole list, guys. I have a whole list. Where'd I put it? I have a whole list of all the things we're gonna be recording, my recording plan. You know, YouTube creators, we have to plan accordingly. So check that out. Look at this big old list of things we're doing for A&B Variety TV. Whole list of things that we're doing, guys, so get excited for the content. And here's what we're doing for the Missing Tooth Mukbanger, guys. Look at all the food that we're going to attempt to eat throughout our trip. So hang tight, have a great time with us. Hope you guys follow us on both channels, A&B Variety TV, which is primarily the travel portion, and then Missing Tooth Mukbanger, which is the eating portion, the mukbang portion. So we'll see you guys on the trip. Bye, guys. Watch out for first day embarkation and showing off the trip as well, and walking onto the ship of the Carnival Miracle. See you in a bit. Bye.
When I the look